Well, hi everybody, Mindy here with the report for week 7, day 4 of the live trial that I'm doing for the auto trading EA that I'm developing for MetaTrader 4. Now today was kind of an odd day. What we see is that the live account closed 17 trades for $62.51. These other 3 trades down here that don't have any numbers in the profit column, these are just orders that I closed that never became trades because I'm working on adjusting the fixer trades that I have that I'm doing manually. So I'm working on that. So I had taken some of those orders out that I knew I would never use. The demo account, on the other hand, opened up 5 or 6 more trades than the live account did and booked $93.91. But here's the thing. Yesterday afternoon, I got the new EA from the programmer with some of the updates that I had wanted him to incorporate in the EA. And because of that, I made that transition today from the old version of the EA to the new version of the EA. And actually, it was a very time-consuming process because I was teaching summer school classes and doing other things as well. But because of that, the EA in the live account was actually turned off for the bulk of the trading day today. So I was really pleased that the new EA, all of these trades happened because of the new version of the EA. So I was actually very pleased that in the short time that the EA was turned on today, that it booked 17 trades for $62.51. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Now, when we go over to the trade tab, which shows all of our open positions, we're at that time of day, again, I have to explain this every day, where the spreads are very wide, and so the negative PL in the PL column is much higher than it really is. But still, when it's not widespread time, it's still running right about $2,200 negative, which is still unacceptable. But we'll be working on that, and we'll be getting that straightened out now fairly rapidly, I think, with this new version of the EA. I did pick up one new hedge today with the new version of the EA, and so I was disappointed. But it is what it is. We'll deal with it. Not a problem. I'm kind of anxious to find out how the new structure for the fixer trades is going to work, because what we should find out is that these pairs that do pick up a hedge, they should also pick up a fixer trade much sooner. And so I'm kind of looking forward to having a hedge in here so that I can see how well the new programming works for the fixer trades. But other than that, there's just really not a lot to talk about today. So I think I will probably keep this short and sweet. There is still time for you to join my Forex Summer School program. And in the Forex Summer School program, I'm actually teaching people how to manually trade and how to trade utilizing other EAs that I have developed over the course of the years that work really, really well if you're someone who works or something like that and you can't be in front of the computer all day or all evening. So anyway, there is still time. We do still have a few slots available if you would be interested in joining the summer school program. That program is such that we meet 3 times a day, about an hour before the major market times for the best Forex trading. And so we'll be doing that 3 classes a day, every trading day from now until the end of August. So there's still plenty of time to join that class, plenty of time to learn how to trade this summer in a way where you can trade very safely without taking losses in your Forex account for the most part, and just being able to trade even though you might still be working a day job or something like that where you can't spend hours and hours in front of the computer. So if you'd like more information on that, just go to my website, www.mindyyost.com, and you'll find all the information that you need there. And I look forward to talking to you, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update on the live trial for the auto trading EA that I'm developing for MetaTrader. So have a good evening, everybody. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.